Hello Stampers and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am sharing with you the 'Tis the Season 6x6 Designer Series paper, and this is in Stampin' Up's August to December mini catalog. This 6x6 paper has 4 sheets of each piece of paper, and as you can see they are double-sided. So here is one side of the paper and here is the other side. So no worries, if you super love both sides, there's 4 sheets to each one. So you could always do 2 of one and 2 of the other. This 6x6 Designer Series paper pack has the colors Basic Black, Cherry Cobbler, Garden Green, Real Red, Shaded Spruce, and Whisper White in it. These patterns are perfect for the holiday season, but there's also a lot of great background prints that would be good for all year long, like this plaid or just this regular red and white check kind of background. But yeah, there's a lot of great ones that can be used all throughout the year. So no worries if you don't use it all up during the holiday season. I'm going to go through and show you the full sheet of each of these pieces so that you can see it on a full sheet basis rather than that little swatch that's in the catalog, or of course the little swatch that you see so far right now. Let me know which one your favorite one is in the comments below, and I'll share with you which one mine is after we go through each one. Okay, so did you pick out your favorite one? I have to say mine is probably this fabulous holly one, but I am also super loving these like elegant, rustic, simple backgrounds that I think will be great during the holidays, but also all year round. You could easily do something like this with some Valentine's Day items, or the green would make a great masculine card as well. But this is probably my #1 favorite print out of this pack. So I hope you guys enjoyed this 'Tis the Season 6x6 Designer Series paper stack. Of course, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And of course, add yourself to my mailing list and you will get an awesome free card making cheat sheet the moment you sign up. So there is a link in the description down below so you can check that out. And of course, check out some of my other Designer Series paper reveals here at the end of this video. Happy stamping! Bye-bye!